Good morning, class. Welcome to St. Peter's School. This is our science class and this is our fourth class. So, before starting the class, I would request all the students please take out your books in front of you and take out page number 2. So, in previous class, we have been covered up to the topic Kingdom Protista, and now today we are going to discuss about the Kingdom Fungi. Okay, so fungi, what characteristics of fungi have? So, one small activity is given on your book. So, let's discuss those points. It's given here that take a moist piece of bread, bhakri, and keep it in a container with lid for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, a fine cotton thread like tuft is found growing on the surface of the bread. Prepare a temporary amount of few threads from this culture and observe it under a microscope. So you can do this activity once school will reopen, and for this time, what we can do, like. We can understand like this that it can be seen from the naked eyes also. When if you will keep a bread or a roti or a bhakri in a open space also for the 2 to 3 days in a rainy season, what you will find a fine white structure is your bread is covered with a fine white structure. Okay, it's layer. Okay, so what is that? What is actually that? It is only the fungi. What is that? That is the fungi layer. Okay, okay. So when you will see that bread under a microscope, you will get a proper structure of fungi. Here you can see one structure. It has been given of the fungi. Fungi has like different parts: is sporangium and apophysis, hypha, spongiophore, and columella. So this is the proper structure of the fungi. When you will see it under a microscope, you can get this type of structure under a microscope. So we will later on study briefly about the structure of fungi in a higher class also. Here, just for the introduction, structure of fungi has been given to you. Okay, so now come to the topic. What characteristics are there in the cell structure? First of all, fungi is considered as a heterotrophic. Okay, so why it's considered as a heterotrophic? Because it depends on another plants and animals for their nutrition. Okay, multicellular. It is multicellular in structure. You can see here also, like in the structure is given. There is a multicellular, different types of cell. It is made up of different types of cell. Okay, so that's why it is considered as a multicellular eukaryotic organism. Okay, so its cell structure is predefined, very well defined. That's why it is considered as a eukaryotic organism. Okay, so and these all are the characteristics of kingdom fungi. Other is their mode of nutrition is saprophytic, as they use decaying organism matter as a food. Okay, so first of all, it is a heterotrophic. Heterotrophic are those organisms which depends on another plants and an animal. But under as a heterotrophic, it is known as the saprophytic. What does it mean? It means that it depends for their nutrition on the dead and decaying plants only. It not on the living organism. It always grows on the dead and decaying plants. So that's why it is known as the saprophytic. Dead and decaying plants or plant products or plants like animals products, always it grows on a dead decaying plants and animals. Okay, so they have cell wall which are made up of substance called chitin. Okay, so very important point. Fungi is considered as like might have considered as a plant kingdom, but because it has a cell wall, and cell wall is not well defined like other cell wall, but it has a thin layer and it is made up of chitin, known as that layer is made up of substance known as chitin. But fungi is why it is not considered as a plantae kingdom, because it has no chloroplast, it has no chlorophyll. That's why it is non-green in color. Okay, and that's why it is not considered as a plantae kingdom. It has been considered as a separate kingdom known as fungi kingdom. Fungi is also form a symbiotic association with some blue-green algae. So it has a similarity, somehow similarities with the blue-green algae also, which is comes under a kingdom Monera, right? Now, yeast, mushroom, aspergillus are the example of fungi. Here, I have given you one picture image of mushroom. It is widely seen in the our area that we have seen. We all have seen the structure of mushroom. This is the structure of mushroom. Okay, this is considered as one of the fungi. Yeast we have we know that we use yeast for the baking, right? So when you will soak 2 to 3 you will soak yeast for 2 to 3 hours in a water, and after sometimes when you will see it under a microscope, you can get a fine structure of fungi. Aspergillus is also example of fungi. Okay, now after that, what happens? When the Whitaker's classification has been widely accepted from all of us, but what happened later on? It is considered as like there are some merits also in the Whitaker's classification, but there are also some demerits in the Whitaker's classification, though it has been accepted. But then also we some of the scientists are discussing it like yes, Whitaker's classification is good, not bad, but it has some merits, but it in the same path it has some demerits also. So what you have to do, you can you can find out what are you can you go through the chapter, understood that what can be the demerits of the Whitaker's classification. What are the merits of Whitaker's classification? Here I have given you some few points related to this. First of all, that a distinction between unicellular and multicellular organism is not possible in case of algae. Okay, when you will see look at the page number 2 and first kingdom Monera, it has been written here that blue green algae is considered as a kingdom Monera. But just now in fungi also we have studied that it has a symbiotic association with blue green algae. It has similarities with the blue green algae. So there with the algae they are not they are not, it is not defined that algae, why algae comes under a Monera kingdom. Okay, and you will see in a Monera kingdom a second point it has been given here, they may be autotrophic or heterotropic. So what happens when in Monera kingdom there are lots of confusion that whether it has a cell wall or not, whether it is autotropic or heterotropic. So it has been not cleared through Whitaker's classification also about the kingdom Monera. But some good points also is there that fungi is considered as a separate kingdom. The Whitaker are able to classify the what is fungi, and it has separated the fungi in a separate kingdom. So this might be a merit of Whitaker's classification. Okay, in some classification schemes, protozoa are placed into a subkingdom of the animal kingdom. This system of classifications we will see later on also that with the protozoa also there are some such confusion. Each group has so many diversities that it is difficult to keep them together. For example, Monera and Protista contain both walled and wall-less organism, photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic organisms, cellular or filamentous organisms. So the same point I have shown you, and that in under the Monera kingdom, you will see second point. It is written that they may be autotrophic or heterotropic because the cellular structure was not defined. Somewhere it has been seen that might be there is a very thin cell wall is there, but might be it is it is not clear in the Monera kingdom. Protista in Protista also this it has been not clear that autotrophs and heterotrophs are considered under the same kingdom in a Protista also. So these all are the confusion going on with the Whitaker's classification. But till now the Whitaker's classification is widely accepted with their merits and demerits. Now in the next class we will study about classification of microbes. Okay, so till the time what you are going to do, you are going to keep revising all the points which have been given by me and which have been given in your books. You have to make a proper notes of the what are the kingdom Monera, what are the Protista kingdom, and what are the characteristics of kingdom fungi. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Till the time, take care and bye bye.